Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Moses Mabhida Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. My brother, how's it?
Good, ngiyaphila futhi.
Good man.
Sure. Igama baba nguSivu isibongo ngumxoli.
Kuphi?
Ngibuya original Eastern Cape egcuwa fethu.
Okay.
Okokuqala ngibulele wena Mapholoba for this platform, for giving us such a platform singabalandeli bebhola.
Yeah.
So mina uNkulunkulu akubless bhuti wami, continue with this great platform. Kwesibini bhuti awunabi. Our coach, thank you Nabi. We've been a laughing stock for a very, very long time. Last time we won the trophy, it was Stuart Baxter.
Yeah.
So it's been long. You know, this year should be 10 years, but lucky we broke the curse today. So yeah.
Sorry to interject. What a way to break it against Orlando Pirates.
Wow, like say it again, my brother. Like against Pagani with Derby, Moses Mabhida. We couldn't ask for a better game, and we deserve it more. Like seriously, we deserve it more.
Exactly.
Yes, today first half we didn't play so well, but looking at Jenny to the final, we played against good teams. We played Nabo Super Sports, Nabo Sundowns. You scored almost 10 goals. We considered only 2. We Nedbank. Yes, league we've not been doing well, but we Nedbank we've been performing. So yeah, coming today. First half, it was a bit sketchy, but overall we won the game. Thanks to Coach Nabi. This one's for Coach Nabi. This one's for Coach Nabi.
He's been cooking for a while now.
Yeah, today gave us starters today. We still want the league main course, but he served us starters, and his starters are delicious, top notch. We can't complain, can't ask for more. Like I don't know what to say. Abantu bakhulumile. Michael social mover. Hi, social mover. I put umuntu akalahle. Now Captain Smarties, tell us some criticizer, you know. But today he showed the character. He played as a captain. We won the game like abafethu basebenzile njengobashilo uMduduzi ungene bashintsha game, uDuprez bangene bashintsha game. Even ngesikhathi ebedonsa uMakai. Ngesikhathi bekhipha uMakai, people were like, "Hey, wenzani?" Because we know Ucele has been our anchor. Yeah, we didn't see that. I was in the far end. I didn't see that when my Donsa, I was disappointed. Like, let me speak for myself. I was disappointed my Donsa Makai, but I had faith. It's okay. Maybe you want to like solid because this is a cup. You know, in the cup you don't have to be restless because one chance you can win it. And it happened today. You know, in the cup final, like in the cup, you don't have to rush. You know,
you don't have to play nice football. Also.
Thank you, Mapolo. So overall, I'm over the moon. Even my voice is gone. Yeah, my voice is gone. I don't know what to say, but yeah. Thank you, Makosi. Siyabonga futhi. Thanks, Mapholoba, for this platform. Siyabulela futhi.
Thank you, brother. Congratulations. God bless you too. Thank you. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com.